With me is the woman who helped make Sports for Life possible, the bocce tournament here in its second year at Bel Air High School, Kay Lambert. And Kay, why do a tournament about bocce for those who have disablements?
It's a sport that the students can participate in after high school, a recreation, leisure activity they can take on into adulthood.
So this is the second year. Who put this all together?
Gavin Zorbach is the site coordinator, and I'm the event coordinator for the county.
So what do they get out of this? I see people having lots of fun, running all over the place. They're outside on a beautiful day.
It's an opportunity for students who have disabilities to showcase their high school in a county-wide competition, and we have all teams comprised of students with disabilities and without. So that is helping with the mainstreaming and students supporting each other regardless of their abilities.
How will you grow this up over the years? Where will this go from here?
Well, each year, just from last year, we had a little under 100 students last year. This year we have 114. So every year the word gets out in each high school, and they may have one team this year, and hopefully next year they'll have two teams.
Will it always be bocce?
No, next season is bowling, and the season after that is basketball.
Wow. Okay. And beyond that?
Well, I don't work in the summer, so we'll see.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kay Lambert, and back to the rest of the coverage.